Someone is eating. What are you eating? Toasted bread. Pati yung pants mo, kumakain na rin na yun. Yay! Ang kalat-kalat mo talaga. Day! Papasok ka pa lang. Buti na lang, practice lang ngayon. No? Diba? Bakit ang ganda-ganda mo? Ang ganda-ganda mo. Ang ganda-ganda mo. Is it hurts? Does it hurt?
It's so hot.
It's not. It's
I
not
don't want it
hurt.
to like that to me. It's too hot.
What?
Like this or
Here? Because I like it. Touching your tummy. And I will fall asleep touching your tummy. What is that? That's mama ano? Manarisim. Manarisim. Basta. Kayo nang bahala. Right?
no.
Wala pa si ate mo. Wala pa, hindi pa siya bumababa. Susundin namin sa Ele. Dami-dami na ng windshield. We need to do car wash na. Sa labas lang naman madumi. Sa labas lang kasi nakapark yung car. Wala pa si Ele. Inaantay namin si Ele. Astro Park. What?
When you go and Leah by your magilios, you have to not bring baby.
Bring baby. What is it?
Not allowed to bring baby.
I don't
Only
have baby.
ate.
Yeah, I don't have baby, diba? Kasi yung baby maingay, tsaka umiiyak-iyak dun sa, sa auditorium, right? Who told you that?
Myself.
Yourself only?
And I think, okay.
What? Okay. Anong okay?
Okay.
Okay na.
lang.
Okay lang to bring a baby?
No?
What? Okay lang to what?
Wala. Take a
Ano
bed.
kasi ate mo? Anong oras na? 10:22. 10:22. Wala pa siya. Okay. Ganda lang sa pagpag. Okay. Pagpag mo yung dirt mo dyan. Pagpag mo muna lahat. Okay, be careful ha. Kukunin niya si ate niya. Sunduin niya dun sa room. Wala po na. Ayun yung dalawa. Sinundo ng bunso. Si ate.
Si Ever, binigyan siya ng car, mama.
Car. Close mo na yung door na. Bakit medyo nagtagal kayo doon?
Why is all your stuff here?
Bakit medyo nagtagal kayo doon?
Huh? We dance.
Nag-dance kayo, tapos nominate ka na Leah?
Pinapasok namin siya, mama.
Ah, did you get inside? Anong sabi ng mga classmate mo?
Wala naman, mama.
Wala naman, nag-dance lang kayo. How is it, Leah?
Kaso si Leah nag-buy kay teacher. Sinabi ko na mag-buy siya eh.
Oo. Ano sabi ni teacher mo?
Yung paalis na kami, sabi daw niya, ang cute naman ng kapatid mo. Kapatid mo, Ailey. Opo, kasi cute po yan eh.
Kinilig ka naman, Leah?
No.
No?
What's that? So
Are you
small.
cute?
We made a slime.
Let's go na.
We made a slime, ma.
Saan Saan galing nga yung slime?
No, we made it. How do you made it? It's just need water, I think, and glue. Water and glue, yes. Water and glue.
Okay, let's go na
And
ha.
mix. Okay, bye-bye.